It is important to learn the language of the Forex market. In order to trade responsibly, you need to know terms such as pips, stop loss, pairs, and spread. There are also other concepts such as long and short and money management. With contrarian trade effects, this knowledge is not required as the software is designed to trade for you. However, we do encourage you to learn about the market. Why? Well, the day may come where you need to call your broker and discuss your trades or your account. You don't want to sound like a complete novice. You will also want to know if the person on the other end of the phone is a newbie or has limited knowledge. Many brokerage houses are not set up in financial meccas, so the talent pool can be slim. Just because they work there doesn't mean they know what they are talking about when they are giving you advice. Protect yourself. At the least, learn Forex terminology.